Hi everybody, here is AIDA BOGOMOLOVA and I have a very nice surprise for you today. So many of you asked me about my makeup before. Usually I will do my makeup for performances by myself, but if I will have photo shooting or video shooting, I will always prefer to cooperate with professional makeup artists. So that's the case of this first vlog, which will be a makeup tutorial. I invited a very talented and professional makeup artist to cooperate with me today, and we will show you two kinds of makeup. First one will be a nude one. This will be good solution if you want to look nice just during the day, if you have some meeting with somebody, or you want to go to have your dance workout with your students and still you want to look nice in the dance room. So that's your case. And the second makeup will be intense Arabic style makeup for the stage or for photo shooting or video shooting. So let me introduce a makeup artist, Anastasia Valitskaya.
Привет, я Анастасия Valitskaya, и я буду очень рада поделиться с вами своими секретами.
Let's start. So before we start a nude makeup, we will clean the face. Okay, I already have some cream on my face, so Anastasia will just clean it out a little bit, and then we will start with the foundation. And I'm looking very cute, right? Yeah? So with which product we can clean the face?
Термальная вода.
So I think now we can start to make a foundation.
Увлажняющая база поможет увлажнить лицо, не прибегая к дополнительным средствам.
So this moisturizing prime will just help to make the face ready for foundation, not using any cream or something else.
Теперь наша кожа готова к нанесению тонального крема.
So we are doing a very light makeup. It's a daily style. You will wear it during the day. My advice to use something really light. And as you can see, my skin is not really covered by foundation cream. It's lightly covered to make it just fresh. So now we will make a contouring with the two products. The first one will be just a bronzer to cover the BB cream. Just put it here and maybe a little bit here. And then we will use more dark contouring powder to put it in the places to make it obvious. The lines on the face make it obvious.
Этот бронзер я люблю за то, что он придает солнечного сияния коже, но не утяжеляет кожу и не делает ее оранжевой.
Покажем, что за бронзер?
Да, это бронзер. Мы наносим бронзер на подскуловое пространство, немного по боковым частям лица, растушевываем на лоб и под подбородок. Ни в коем случае не наносим бронзер на переднюю часть лица. Это может сделать лицо плоским.
So for contouring we will use this product, Bahama Mama. It's nice because it's matte and it's good to paint these places and make good volume on the face. So I didn't try it before. Let's try it with Anastasiya.
Для дневного макияжа достаточно совсем немного контура, только под скулами.
Usually in day makeup we will not touch the nose, we will not make a contouring just because it will be more natural, but I always prefer to put a little bit of bronzer here to have a more volume. So now time for blushes. Anastasia used Creamy Stick Blush by Kiko. I also use this product but for contouring, and this is good solution and it will look natural because this kind of texture of blushes will mix very good with the texture of foundation. And then we will put this on the cheeks and on the lips to make it very natural. Make notice for you. But if you have an oily skin or it's a hot weather, it will be better, much better to use dry blushes.
Сейчас я буду наносить румяна кисточкой, но если у вас очень мало времени, вы можете просто воспользоваться своими пальцами.
As I'm doing usually by myself. And now it's time for Eyebrow. This is a Smashbox product and it's good because from one side is an eyebrow pencil and from another side is a good one solution to make the form of the eyebrow with the gel. And we will make a straight form. I prefer straight eyebrow and a little bit lightly up. So as you can see, we create a very fresh looking with the foundation and blushes and a little bit of contouring. And the main point in this makeup for me is eyebrow. I prefer a natural shape, just straight and a lightly, not down, but lightly up. Yes, and if you have blonde hair or brown hair, it's better to make a lighter color for your eyebrow. I prefer darker color because my hair is black. So now it's time to make eye makeup. I always prefer to use some caramel or beige tones to make it just neutral, and Anastasia told me that we will use a little bit of shiny stuff. I am not doing this for my daily makeup, for my day makeup, but I am very interested to know how Anastasia will do it. So Anastasia proposed before to use a cream texture eyeshadows, and I asked her to use a dry one version. Why? Because I think it's quite difficult, not easy to put a creamy texture as an eyeshadow. I always prefer to use dry one if I want to make it faster. But if you still want to use creamy, we recommend you to use something beige or caramel color. What we will use now, it's Makeup Artist Palette, Makeup Forever palette. Let me open it. And one of my favorite tones, it's like caramel, this one. And we will mix it with the beige, a little bit shiny beige color.
Для того, чтобы цвет лег плотнее, мы нанесем недостаточно.
So we almost finished, and the most important step now for us is to put this one. Is eye corrector, let's say, eye saver. If you didn't sleep the night before, this thing will turn you from a zombie to a human. As I did. I didn't sleep last night, so let's see the magic now. I'm usually using my finger to put eye concealer, but of course, more professional way is to use the brush, as Anastasiya doing now, but faster with the finger. So now only eyelashes and the lips are remaining, and it's always very individual stuff how to put the eyelashes color. I recommend you to be careful to don't make dirty this part, because it will be difficult to remove after, as we have very light makeup. But still, you can use any eyelashes mascara, any you prefer. I will do it by myself. So I just put a very little of mascara, and my own secret, I always make my eyelashes outside a little bit up to make it a little bit like cat eye. So now we are going to put lipstick, and we are done with the beauty makeup with nude one. So for day makeup, I always prefer some natural color, beige or caramel, or even some lip gloss. So let's use this one with the contour to make the lips more, to give them more volume and to make it more clear, the contour. And we are done. So the last step is to put a little bit of powder to fix all the foundation, and we are ready to go to meet someone and still be beautiful.